Hey, so here I'm gonna show you the correct way how you can remove Instagram ads in the 2026 updates. So first from your Instagram, scroll through the news feed and you will notice some videos marked as sponsored, so which can be really annoying. So when you see a sponsored post, just tap the three dots on the top right of that post and here we'll see several options. So just go for why am I seeing this ad or updated ad preference. So now under manage info, go to categories and you will see categories associated with you. Just remove all of them if you want. Next, go to activity info from ad partners and from the review settings and make sure show me ads that are more relevant by using this info is on. Otherwise, Instagram may show irrelevant ads. Then for ad from ad partners, select don't show me ad from ad partners. And now from ads about Meta, select don't use my activity. After all of this process, go to customize ads and here you will see a list of ads or profiles. And now from here you can hide ads from specific profiles or sectors that you don't want to see. And finally, for any sponsored post you still see, just tap the three dots, go for not interested and choose why you are not interested. Just do this for all ads that bother you a lot. After doing this for 1 or 2 times, Instagram will stop showing irrelevant ads on your feed. Isn't it really easy to remove? I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for watching.